Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Nick Swenson. He is the chairman and CEO of AIRT. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is AIRT on NASDAQ, and AIRT will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase Vegas, in partnership with Microcap Club, taking place April 22 through 24, 2025 at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information to register in person to meet Nick and see the presentation one-on-one, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Nick, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
Good to be here, Robert.
All right,
Doing
it's great.
great.
It's great to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in Vegas. So, this is actually our first time doing an interview together. So, can you start us off with a quick overview and history of the company?
Sure. AIRT is a decentralized holding company focused in aviation, and we own around 14 businesses, have built the company over the past 12 years or so from a core of three businesses. AIRT has been public for over 40 years, and we are a company that really tries to think like an investor. And we think one of the things we do well is make acquisitions and then build those acquisitions over a decent number of years. So that's what we do.
Very cool. All right. So, what would you say makes AirT and your business model, your strategy here, unique and different compared to some of your peers out there that are also serial acquirers?
Yeah, we have an aviation focus. Aviation has a lot of niche businesses within it, um, and high value potential revenue. We, I think, have at the holding company a pretty good team that has a lot of experience investing and making acquisitions. So we have that part of the organizational dynamic for a serial acquirer, and then we have really good managers at each business, and we take a lot of care and attention trying to get them what they need to grow their business. I think business leaders really appreciate being part of a kind of a permanent capital vehicle that allows them to have some runway to build their company and have support that they might not get in a smaller organization. You know, we like to sell against maybe private equity sometimes when we talk about AirT, we talk about we're buying to build and not to trade. There's no expiration on our investment. And we think as we've grown to 14 companies, we have a bigger network of individuals who can bring us collaborative potential products to market or just introductions in other ways. So as we've grown, we've developed some momentum in our network as well. But we feel very strongly about making sure each individual business leader is running their P&L and has that responsibility and accountability that motivates them.
Very good. And what's your background? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. The company was founded in 1980. I don't think you've been there since 1980. So,
No.
yeah, what was your background prior to
Yeah, so
AirT?
I have a investment management background. I was a fund manager, portfolio manager of a hedged high yield fund, did distressed investing for a long time in special situations. So I was effectively on the buy side managing funds for 15 years or so. And I bought into AirT starting around 2011 and acquired my whole stake in open market purchases, um, and have a lot of skin in the game that way. And I think now, after having run a publicly traded operating company for a while, the combination of skills that hopefully allows me to be a pretty good operator on top of just basic investing skills.
Very good. All right. Well, Nick, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts or goals for 2025?
Well, I think we have good momentum in our leasing business, which, if you look at our investor presentation, has grown from zero assets under management to around 500 million over the past 3 years. We also, because aviation supply is pretty tight, and up until maybe the current economic weakness we might experience here now, there's been a very good healthy background in aviation in general, and so that's helping us. And I think another value catalyst is just our interest in getting out and talking to the investor community and explaining the company.
All right. Well, Nick, with that, where can our audience go and find more information about AIRT?
AIRT has a website that could be a great place to start. AIRT.net is our website, and I encourage folks to attend our conference presentation, and I look forward to seeing people.
Very good. Well, Nick, thank you for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I will see you in Vegas.
Thank you, Robert. See you there.
Thank you.